Weight gain is normal and a part of pregnancy. If you are pregnant, you will obviously gain weight throughout your pregnancy. And this should not worry you because gaining normal weight during pregnancy is a symptom of a healthy pregnancy. It underlines that the baby inside you is developing well. But excessive weight gain can lead to serious health complications. So, what weight is normal and what is excessive is a matter worth of discussion. In this video, we will discuss what should be a normal weight during the pregnancy and what is excessive that you should be worried about. A pregnant woman needs about 300 extra calories a day during pregnancy to support the baby's growth and development inside the womb. During pregnancy, a woman gains approx 1 to 4.5 pounds in the first trimester of the pregnancy and 1 to 2 pounds per week in the second and third trimester of the pregnancy. Weight gain a little more or less than this should not be a matter of worry. So how much weight is normal during pregnancy? We will discuss first the normal weight gain for women pregnant with one baby. The table on your screen is showing the normal weight gain for women pregnant with one baby. Next, we will discuss the normal weight gain for women pregnant with twins. Distribution of pregnancy weight gain. The table on your screen is showing the total of extra weight that a woman gains in her pregnancy. The table shows a total of 25 to 30 pounds extra weight that a pregnant woman gains throughout her pregnancy. More weight gain during pregnancy can lead to many health complications like hypertension, gestational diabetes, cesarean delivery, high blood pressure, and postpartum weight retention. On the other hand, less than normal weight gain can cause premature birth, low weight babies, complications during labor and delivery. Now, we will discuss what you should keep in mind in case you are gaining excessive weight during the pregnancy. It is not safe to do dieting during pregnancy. Manage your weight in consultation with your doctor to minimize the risk of pregnancy complications. Do mild to moderate exercise and take short walks regularly. Limit the intake of sugar-added and high-fat foods. In case you are gaining less weight than the prescribed, eat small meals often to gain healthy weight. Take a balanced diet high in whole grains, vegetables, fruits, low-fat dairy, and lean protein. Apart from this, track your weight regularly throughout the pregnancy and consult your doctor if you are overweight or underweight during the pregnancy. A healthy weight leads to a healthy pregnancy. Happy pregnancy!